Uh, okay. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you promptly a simple but powerful browser extension that brings AI right into your workflow, whether you are summarizing an article, translating text, or rewriting your content. Promptly makes it effortless, all in one clean interface. Okay. So what you have to do is, first you need to go to your Chrome flags in your web. You need to check your Chrome version, that is first going on this URL and check your Chrome version whether it's 140 plus, then you can easily run on it. Okay, next you need to go to this. I'll make this video really short, guys, because I need to finish this real fast. So I'll just directly take you to this URLs, but rest of the instructions are all given on my readme section in my GitHub. You can check it out. So next you go on the Chrome flags, and there in the under the experimental section, in the available section, you will find all this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This first 7 thing enables optimization guide. You need to enable bypass performance requirement, prompt API for Gemini Nano, enables multilingual, this one as well multimodal, because my extension works in both image and textual data as well, so you need to enable this thing as well. Summarization, writer, rewriter, and proofreader. Once you are done, you need to restart your Chrome. Okay, it will ask for you to restart your Chrome, so go for it, do it. Once you're done, you have to do one thing, that is, you go back to your Chrome browser and type Chrome extensions. Okay, so when you first open this Chrome extension, your Chrome will look like this, or maybe the extension that you have installed here, it will show up, and on the top right corner you see the developer mode. You will find it is turned off. So what you need to do is, first you need to turn this on and go in the load unpacked section. And I forgot to mention that in the GitHub you have to clone or download all the files of this extension. Once you clone it or download the files, you need to unzip it and save it on some folder with some name. So for example, I have my app extension created here in D drive web AI Gemini app, and I created here. So it will be some name like this. You saved it, so you just open it and select folder. Once you did that, it will upload here in this extension section. Only remember, it will show up when you have this developer mode enabled. Okay, so once you did it, you will see this promptly a personal assistant 2.0.0. I had created before that 1.0.0. It had some flaws, so I wanted to upgrade it and made it multimodal and multilingual. That's why I made it 2.0. Once you did, what you need to do is, it's done, it's installed. Then you pin this extension here or whatever if you don't want to, and you just open it. You see another web page opens up completely. This is promptly. So when you open promptly, you will see a sleek pop-up window with 6 main modes. This one, summarization, translation, prompt, writer, rewriter, proofreader. Each mode is powered by your device built-in AI models, meaning it runs locally on your PC and privately on your device with no internet connection required as well. Okay, so for the security purpose, you don't need to worry about anything, because every time you ask for something, or you just refresh this page or you close this page, promptly will destroy that session. It will never save anything. So once you go there and open the promptly, voila, it's here. Now, it's multilingual. You can change whatever language you want, and people will get responses basically according to that. So I give this as multilingual. Even the outputs and the inputs can be done in that particular language. So let me stick with English, and let me and with the summarization, you can summarize URLs, you can summarize any you know PDFs, or images as well. Just let me think that I have a this generative AI paper. This one I was recently researching on, and I was studying it, so it's pretty big. So I want to promptly to summarize it basically. So what you can do is you just go here in upload section, and where is it, in the desktop section you will find where is it, yeah, you open it, and you can ask for anything like summarize this portion or this portion. I just say summarize briefly, just summarize it briefly. You press enter. You can even summarize your images as well. Okay, so it's not like only bounded to you have to use textual data. It accepts multimodal. I'll show images as well, but summarization doesn't accept images. Only the prompt API accepts images, and this extension has been worked for images only for the prompt APIs. So for the images, remember, even if you want to summarize anything, always use the prompt API for the image. Let me see first this one. Let it go, and then we go the translation. We'll check the prompt and writer, and writer is like similarly just writing for you. Just yes, of course it's taking little bit time because it depends on your computer's performance and mostly your RAM. And my RAM is being used, my RAM and GPU is being used by my another training. I am working on an AI project, so it's using my resources. So that's why it's taking a little bit time. Apologies for that. So here he gave us a brief introduction or summarization of this. This paper presents a novel impending algorithm leverages generative adversarial networks and blah blah blah, everything. Okay, so see, it's working for PDFs. Let us go some textual data. Of course, if you enter some textual data, it will do some textual data as well. Let us go for translation. Okay, when you change your mode, sometimes it doesn't work. When you it always sometimes when you type something and you expect it to give you result, but it give you the previous results, is because the session hasn't been destroyed. So it's better every time when you do it, you just refresh the page. It will quickly refresh in a fraction of a second, and you can move on with any other modes. So I just choose English, and no, I just choose English to Korean, right? Okay, so let me give a try. Say I want to eat pizzas. Okay, so it says like this, whatever it is, and we're gonna compare it with this R promptly. So I just type I want to eat pizzas. Okay, that's what we typed there. Yeah. Again, processing translations. Yeah, one more thing, I haven't configured the auto functions in this input, so you need to provide the source language all the time when you inputting it. You can't let it detect, because I haven't included the language detector yet on this. So it's manually done like this, when you go and open the translations, it's manually done by me, right? You choose it, and behind that the API working on it to translate it, the entire UI. Also, I take some reference images in case we need to, g- giraffe, wildlife. Let's get an image here. See, give us the output. Korean to English. I want to eat pizza. Yeah, correct. Now, let us, try checking, inputting one images and try to understand what's going on. Okay, that is, let's save image as. Okay, and we send it on promptly. Prompt downloads. Describe, say describe the image. The image. Apologies again, it will take some little bit time. Please bear with me. This promptly can accept any kind of data. Even in future, I am planning to enhance it with audio data, to inject it on audio data, and people can talk and also get the output on audio basis as well. So I haven't injected that code yet. I'm working on it, and as well as I will be implementing advanced OCRs for reading text, and still the APIs are very much like in an experimental stage. It's a little bit hard to implement the complete speech recognition APIs through the prompts or translation APIs here in Nano's model. And yes, my PC is not that powerful, so it takes little bit time. So if you have a good PC, it will see. The image shows four giraffes standing in the grassy savanna landscape. The giraffes are facing different directions, gazing upwards and looking forward to off distance and whatever it is, blah 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 blah. Everything works, even the proofreader. If you type something wrong, I love to eat to pizzas. Okay, if you type a wrong sentence with wrong pronunciation, verbs, vocabularies, and you check the proofreader, it will work as well. It will correct you the exact lines that you need to do it. See, the text has a fondness of it. The author uses font I instead of love, eat, and pizzas. It will correct you. So that's all it about promptly, and I'm happy to share. I'm happy to upload this extension into the web store very soon. I hope everyone should try this and give me a feedback. Feedback is always appreciated. And thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.